this session, we are going to revise our lesson number 2, that is Dick Whittington and his cat. One poor orphan boy called Dick Whittington, he had no proper home and his parents had died. One day, Dick overheard someone says that the streets of London were paved with gold. So, Dick decided to travel there, became a rich man. When he arrived in London, there were no street of gold. Dick Whittington, tired and hungry, he fell asleep on steps all over a great house. The house belongs to a rich businessman who found Dick, gave him a job of cleaning a kitchen. Dick worked very hard and was happy. He had enough to eat and at night sleep by the fire. There was a problem, though at night, rats around the kitchen and kept him awake. So Dick went out and found the faster rats catching cat in the London. The cat caught all the rats, comes at the house, and Dick could sleep at night. One night, Dick decided he could stand it no more. Early the next morning, he set out with his cat to seek his fortune elsewhere. As far as an area of North London. Then Dick sat down on a stone to rest. The church bells were ringing. As Dick sat and listened, it seems they were ringing out a message for him. Turn again, Whittington, thou worthy citizen, Lord Mayor of London. So Dick came back, the house of businessman as Mr. Fitchburn. Mr. Fitchburn used to send sheep folk across the sea to trade with other countries. So he asked to Dick, would he like to give something of yours on it? Dick decided to give his cat. So Dick fetched his cat and said goodbye sadly. The captain of the ship was delighted, for the cat was an excellent mouser. After some months, the ship arrived at a place on the African coast, Barbary, where people called the Moors lived. The captain sent a message to the king to say he had fine goods for sale. He was invited to the palace to show them. But the king and queen, some dishes of food were brought in, but almost immediately rats and mice ran up and before the captain's eyes ate all the food. The captain was astonished and asked if this was what normally happened. So they given reply, the country is suffering from a plague of rats and mice, and we cannot get rid of them. Then the captain sent message asking for Dick's cat to be brought to the palace. More food was laid out, and the rat and mice appeared as before. The rat immediately paused killing at least a dozen before they scattered. So king decided to give great wealth to Dick's cat. So the captain began bargaining, and it was agreed that the king would buy the whole cargo from Mr. Fitzwarren's ship to pay a fine price for it. And for the cat alone, the king paid 10 times the sum again. When ship came, the captain showed Mr. Fitzwarren the gold and jewels he had brought from Barbary and told him the story of the cat. So Mr. Fitzwarren said to Dick that he could say to him Mr. Whittington, for that Dick is a rich man. So Mr. Fitzwarren then paid him all the money the captain had received for the cat. From this time on, Dick worked with Mr. Fitzwarren and became a successful merchant himself. He married Mr. Fitzwarren's daughter, and 3 times he was Lord Mayor of London. He was also in time knighted by the king and became Sir Richard Whittington. He was not only famous, but he was popular too, for he always helped the poor with his money. So dear students, as we have learned summary of this lesson, so try to find out the answer of this worksheet questions. Thank you. Have a good day.